Good morning, this is Johnny. I'm recording this video to review my Bitcoin bullet setup on 1 hour published yesterday because I think it's quite useful and to see how we use the trigger part to reduce our risk and enhance our winning probability while at the same time achieving a not bad risk, a reward ratio. There you go. So this is basically set up on a 1 hour. Okay, the entry is 55,500 and stop is 55,000, basically 500 stop loss zone. Okay, so the target is around previous high 57,240 ish. Okay, so what happened? Let me click this play button here. Oh, press reach the target first before coming back and stop us out coming back to the target zone again. Okay, so does this mean that our setup failed? Probably not. Let's have a look at what happened on 5 minutes chart. Let's make it larger. There we go. So we can see. So this is when I published the idea. All right, so press goes up to hit target and then coming back all the way around. Just let me check the time. 6:45 Beijing time, or it's early in the morning. Okay, and then the big wick indicate some buyers came in and pushed price higher, and they form a structure which we're so familiar with, right? So it's low, it's high, it's higher low, high breakout. So when price break this level, so just let me mark this one, break this level, then what does this mean? It means on the 5 minutes chart, the downtrend has been terminated. So on the 5 minute chart, we got permission to long. So what do we have got? We got from the hourly chart, it's bullish. All right. So on the 5 minutes, we see the price action is bullish. Okay. So yes, I know this big bearish candle looks horrifying, but guess what? I don't care. All I need to do is for the pullback entry to set up the pullback entry here. All right. So because this is control low zone, so this is very nice entry zone. Okay, because if you guys watched my idea or videos, I tend to use this pattern showed up again and again repeatedly. That's your A setup. All right, so this pullback entry is here, and then the target's still here. So it's the risk reward ratio is 13. Oh, this looks too good, right? The problem is I didn't trade this setup because it's 8:15 when I was still sleeping. All right, so I have to tell the truth, but this analysis is quite useful. It shows how we look at this market and why we have the trigger part, because we want to reduce the risk. All right, so we need now we got our big body on our side, and then we got our small body, which is 5 minutes time frame. What happened on the 5 minutes time frame. We got our big body. Whenever we got our small body, 5 minute. Okay, we got two bodies on our side, and hopefully this trend change from the 5 minute chart to 10 minutes to 15 minutes, and then bam, there you go. Okay, so that is my core trading strategy here. It does nothing with supply demand, but supply demand helped me to identify the key zones, but the price action matters a lot. All right, so just pay attention to the price action. The one problem or issue with the with this is you have to be there. You have to be there in front of the screen. You have to see and press react to your zone. And all right, that means you have to, you have to get up early, things like that. So sometimes we miss the trade, but it really doesn't matter, as long as the market opens, there's a load of opportunities. What we need to do is to find the pattern repeatedly. Okay, you don't have to find many patterns. Just you can identify 2 or 3 patterns with the highest winning ratios or probabilities. And then you just do you just identify the repeated pattern. You make the money repeatedly. That's the point. All right, I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much. Enjoy your Sunday. Enjoy your trade. Bitcoin is amazing. You still have buyers and sellers on the weekends. Okay.